NLG has not rejected Kejriwal's ration scheme. Delhi's Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal has not rejected Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's doorstep ration delivery scheme but has only advised for the constitutional scheme of things to be followed in letter and spirit. Sources in the know of the matter said. The aim is to ensure smooth decision and seamless benefit to people at large, sources said, after the Aam Aadmi Party accused the centre of stalling its Ghar Ghar Ration Yojana scheme. West Bengal issuing vaccination certificate to 18 to 44 with photo of CM Mamata Banerjee. The West Bengal government is issuing certificates of COVID-19 vaccinations to the people in the age group of 18 to 44 sponsored by the state with the photograph of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. An official said Saturday this is being done since the state government has been procuring vaccines directly from the manufacturers from its own resources. Coimbatore Trichy Corporation cancelled vaccine drive on 5th June due to low stock. The Coimbatore and Trichy Corporation announced that the vaccine drive scheduled for 5th June will stay cancelled because of insufficient in-hand vaccine doses available with the respective districts. The corporation said that information on resumption of the vaccination drive will be announced once vaccine stock reach the district. In a release, Coimbatore Corporation Commissioner P. Kumaravel Pandian said the vaccination drive will not take place in the 5 zones of Coimbatore on 5th June. In another release, Trichy Corporation Commissioner S. Sivasubramanian said through special camps, COVID-19 vaccines were being administered to the people. Why PM Modi did not tweet birthday wishes for Yogi Adityanath? Amid speculation, the BJP's national leadership is worried about its government in Uttar Pradesh, where the party's own MLAs and MPs have gone public with grievances. Prime Minister Narendra Modi not tweeting birthday wishes to Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has raised eyebrows. US, India, China account for 60% of 2 billion vaccine doses distributed globally. Of the 2 billion COVID-19 vaccine doses distributed globally till now, about 60% have gone to just 3 countries, the US, China and India, a senior advisor at the World Health Organization said. Autos out on Calcutta roads despite curbs. Several auto rickshaw operators have resumed service in parts of North Calcutta to ferry people to workplace or markets, despite restrictions on public transports imposed by the state government. Auto operators on at least 7 routes from Ultodanga and Maniktola connecting parts of Gauribari, BK Pal Avenue, Shobha Bazar Ghat, Ahritola Ghat, Neemtola Ghat and Barui Ghati are plying their vehicles in the morning office hours, catering to commuters who would have otherwise had to walk long stretches to reach their workplaces. GST collection declines in May, holds above Rs 1 lakh crore mark for 8th month in a row. The gross GST revenue collected in May 2021 stood at 1,02,709 crore, holding the 1 lakh crore mark for the 8th month in a row, said the Minister of Finance in a statement released on Saturday. However, on a month-on-month basis, GST revenue collected declined in May from all-time record high mark of Rs 1.41 lakh crore registered in April 2021. Out of the total gross GST revenue of Rs 1,41,384 crore, the CGST stood at 17,592 crore, while SGST stood at 22,653 crore. Tinder will now let users block people in their phone contacts to avoid awkward encounters on the app. Tinder will finally be letting users avoid all their exes, friends, colleagues, relatives and anyone else they might not want to run into on a dating app. The company announced today that it will start allowing people to block their phone contacts. According to The Verge, romance seekers can access the feature from their settings under the Block Contacts menu, where they can define which contact they would like to block, meaning these people will not surface for them, and vice versa. Staff reporter Simran Basu.